Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install your first plugin in Claude Cowork. So, as I said in this video, I will show you how to install your first plugin in Claude Cowork. In order to do it, you have to go into, of course, Cowork section. And now, how to install plugin? We have to go into Customize tab. And now we have to press on Browse Plugins. Now, here you have plugins that you can install. I will use this first one, this productivity plugin, in this video, and I will show you what you can do with it. So you have productivity plugin, you have some skills: memory management, start, task management, and update. You have the connectors like Slack, Notion, Asana, and some other. But how to install this plugin? You have to simply press on install. And now your plugin is installed and ready to use. We will go into the normal chat right now, but as you can see, you have personal plugins, you have productivity, and you can see what you can do with it. So you can use the memory management, start, task management, and update. I will go back, and we will start off using this plugin. So what we can do? Let's use first plugin. As you probably know, because I hope you watched my previous video, you know that the plugin is a bundle of skills that are related to each other. So in order to use one skill from the plugin, you have to start with a slash, and we will use start because start is a skill from the productivity plugin. And we will see what will happen if I will press enter with this start. As you can see, we are thinking, we are using the skill with start, we are running some comments, and probably model will ask us to write something, but we will see. We are running, we have the skill task management. Now I have what I need. Let me set everything up fresh. And now, what we are doing. So fresh setup is complete. Here is where things stand. Dashboard is ready. You can open that on open-dashboard.html. Since this is a fresh start, I haven't built your memory yet. To make me genuinely useful as collaborator, understanding your shorthands, who's who, your project, I would love to bootstrap from actual task list. Where do you keep your to-dos or task list? It could be, for example, a local file, an app, and notes file or doc. Share it or paste some tasks here, and I will decode your workspace shorthand, names, acronyms, project code names, so I can understand you're like a colleague from day one. Maybe I'm not going to do it in this video, because I think I will record another video just about the productivity plugin, but as you can see, you can actually install it like this and use it. You have some working folders, so you have this taskmd, you have task active waiting on someday and done, and you can also, you have this dashboard HTML in which you have the task, memory, board or the list, and you can add something here, for example, select your folder and some other things. But as I said, I will record a separated video about productivity plugin in Claude Cowork. So this video was only about installing. So if you want to install, as I said before, you have to go into Customize section, plus Browse Plugin, and you can add something. Of course, you can, for example, create plugin. So upload plugin, add marketplace, create with Cloud, but I'm not going to do it in this video. As I said, it was only about installing a simple plugin. So this is how you can install plugin in Claude Cowork. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.